Hello and welcome to Unity Android Game Development Start to Publish. In this course, we will learn how to build Android games with Unity from beginning to publishing to Google Play Store. My name is Raja and I'm the founder of a YouTube channel named Charger Games. My video tutorials on Unity Android game development are the top search results on YouTube and Google as well. In this course, we're going to learn to build games by building example games. We will build a 3D zigzag game where we will learn to create 3D physics, animations, menus, and a lot more stuff. This tappy ball game where you will learn about animations, screen transitions, menus, and lots of different kind of stuff. You will also learn to build a fruit ninja game where you can cut the fruits and use different animations, user interfaces, and effects. Other than that, we will create all the art assets that you're gonna use in the game by ourselves. So we will learn to build these awesome game art assets by ourselves by using a free software called Inkscape. So if you have never created any artworks for your game, don't worry, I'm gonna show you how to create all these things from complete ground up. Then we're gonna learn about version controlling. You can use this to track your projects and return to any previous snapshot of your projects. If you make any mistakes, you can return to previous version of your project anytime. You're gonna learn to use version controlling by using GitHub, Bitbucket, and SourceTree. I'm gonna show you a practical game example to use version controlling in your game. Then you will learn to integrate ads in your games. You will learn to integrate AppLovin ads, Chartboost ads, and Unity ads in your game. You will learn to integrate interstitial ads, video ads, and also rewarded video ads. And finally, we're gonna build leaderboards and achievements for your game. Using leaderboards, your player will compete with their friends and they will be interested in your game more and more to achieve the top position. Using achievements, your player will spend more time in your games to achieve new things and to play the game more and more. So what are you waiting for? If you always wanted to learn to build awesome Android games with Unity, then you will love this course. So hope you take this course and I will see you inside. Thank you very much.